You can now ask Google Gemini to read your docs aloud. Google is giving docs a voice, an AI one. The company has begun rolling out a new feature that allows you to generate audio versions of your documents with the help of Gemini AI. The update adds another layer of accessibility and flexibility to the widely used word processor. With the new tool, you can transform any document into spoken audio and even tweak the experience. Google allows customization with different voices and speeds, catering to diverse preferences. Importantly, this feature isn't just limited to the original document creator. Anyone with access to a shared file can listen in. Readers need to open the tool's drop-down menu, select Audio, and then choose Listen to this tab. For authors who want to make the option even easier to find, Google has also added a way to embed an audio button directly within a document. By going to Insert, then Audio, they can place a clickable control that starts playback instantly. The update builds on a vision Google first teased earlier this year. Back in April, the company floated the idea of turning documents into AI-generated podcasts. While that sounded intriguing, the new feature feels more practical. Rather than curating a show, you can now simply listen to drafts, reports, or study notes while multitasking. There are, however, a few limits at launch. The feature is currently supported only in English and accessible via the desktop version of Google Docs. Although mobile support is unmentioned, it is available to Google Workspace's business, enterprise, or education plans and individual AI Pro or Ultra subscribers. For writers, students, and professionals, this promises a refreshing change of pace.